Hi, welcome to another tutorial. So today in this tutorial you are going to see how can we use Crocoblock, JetElements or widgets. So we people who are working on WordPress, we are very much familiar with Crocoblock because we know that we can create any categories website in Crocoblock. So there are maybe almost 20 plugins in Crocoblock, and there are 4 to 5 very famous plugins for Crocoblock, and JetElement is one of them. So if you go to the next step, then we can see there are almost 45 widgets in JetElements. So in this tutorial I will focus on the major widgets what are mostly used in every websites. So let's go to WordPress dashboard. So I have already installed all my 3 necessary plugins like Elementor Pro and my JetElement. So Elementor is already free, you can easily download it, and Elementor Pro and JetElements I have installed the developer version, but you can buy this JetElement plugin from here. It is 43 USD. If you search in Google Crocoblock, and then you will get this option. So whatever, let's don't waste our time. You already know how to install plugin, etc. So let's go to page, and I will create a new page. I'll name it Crocoblock, and let's publish, and then click on edit with Elementor. Okay, I'll hide these widgets. Okay, so I'll focus on only JetElements. Okay, have to do one thing, click on setting and to make sure it is Elementor canvas. Okay, done. Let's take a section. Sorry, not this. Okay, so let's do one thing. Okay, there are a lot of widgets, but first of all I'll show you this animated text. This is very easy widget, you can easily use. Okay, there are 3 options. One is before text, and then our main section is animated text, and this is the after text. So mostly this widget is used for a website title. So in a title we focus on our major word. So our major words will be our animated text, and we can see there are 2 words which are used in animation, create and animate, and we can see these are animating automatically. So suppose we have a agency website, so our title should be like we are super fast. Okay, super fast agency. Suppose we are super fast agency, so super and fast is our main focus keyword, so this should be used in animation. Super fast agency. Okay, so we can see super and fast are animating, and we can change color or type, work on typography. These are for before text, animation text, and after text. Okay, we can change the color of our before text, make it blue, and let's change the color of animation text, make it black, and we can increase the text size. Okay, I hope you already are familiar how to change color or typography, etc. So let's take another section and let's work on another widget. Like okay, this is advanced carousel, we can work with this. This is also a popular widget. Okay, so this is very simple. Like the impactness of this widget is that it is carousel. So we can take multiple item, like we will take 3 items so that you can see how it works. So we'll use 3 image in 3 item, and this is title like office and this should be description our office, and then we can take another image like apartment, and then we can again use a description something, and this is our third item, and we can name it villa. Okay, so it will look like that. We can use multiple images, and okay, this is carousel. When we will click on this arrow icon, another image will appear in our screen, and we can add our products. If we have e-commerce, then we can add our products, and then we can use a button below, or we can use it for real estate business. We can showcase our apartments like this, and it will appear like a carousel. We already know what is this. So this is the, so it was very easy to understand. Okay, we can change our icon. Okay, we can add a new icon from icon library. Okay, something like that. Okay, this icon is changed. So I hope you got it how to use. Okay, let's add another. Okay, this bar chart, this is also a very useful widget. Okay, so this is particle bar, or we can make it horizontal. Look, okay, this is how horizontal bar look like. Okay, particle is the most popular one, and then there are 3 levels like March, April and May, but we can change this, like we can make it January. Okay, so this is how we can change our levels. And then scale axis range. Okay, the maximum range is 10, but we can make it 11. Okay, there will be an 1. Okay, 11. Then step size is 1, which means we are, the difference is 1 in every single thing, like 0, 1, 2, 3. If you make it to 2, then it will be like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, if we make it 4, 0, 4, 8, 11. So this is how the difference work. And then there are 3 content, our main content, Google, Facebook and Twitter, but we can change it. Okay, we can change the name, like Google, we can make it Microsoft, and it is changed. And Microsoft had now three data. One is 2, another one is 4, and the another one is maybe 8. Okay, but if we want to take this bar to 6, we can make it 6 here. Okay, now it will be in 6. Okay, I hope you understand how you should work with bar. So I hope you understand how to work. Then let's move to next widget. Okay, then this circle progress, this is a very famous widget. If you check 100 website, then you will see that in 80 website you will find out this widget. Okay, before I edit, let me do one thing. I will take a inner section. Okay, and I will duplicate another one. Okay, now let's implement. Okay, there is one. Okay, I just did copy and paste. So in first one, okay, these are the content. Okay, here are the content. Okay, first of all, in this first one, I'll make it 64, and then okay, not percentage, I will make it absolute. Okay, I'll make it 350. Then I'll go to content, and this is a number of okay, not needed. Okay, I'll remove this percentage. Then I will give a title like total projects we worked. Okay, in total we worked on 350 projects, and then I will go to this one and I will make it again. Okay, no, I will keep it percentage, and I'll make it 99. Then I'll go to content, and I will add another title, success rate, and our success rate is 99%. Okay, and then I'll go to third one, I'll make it absolute, and I'll make it 349, and I'll add a title, our happy clients. Okay, I hope you understand how it works. In total we worked on 350 projects, our success rate is 99%, and our happy clients are 349%. Sorry, not percent, it should be 349 in absolute. Okay, so it's really great to see, and this is how it works. Then let's move to let's move to next one. Horizontal. Okay, timeline. This is also one of the very useful widget. To use this timeline, okay, I like vertical timeline. Let me show you how it works. Okay, this is how timeline works. Like, we can add about us, then we can add services we provide. Okay, or we can make like something like step 1. Okay, suppose okay, suppose this is a tutorial. So first of all, okay, leave this section. We'll work right here. Okay, let's take a heading. Okay, suppose this is a tutorial, how to create a cup of coffee. Okay, suppose this is a tutorial of how to create a cup of coffee, and there are suppose 4 steps. Okay, in the first step we can title it step 1, and then we can add a description like all of first we have to arrange a mug or cup. Okay, suppose this is the step 1, and the step 2 is boil some water. Okay, then the third step is pour your coffee powder, and in the final step mix them and test. So I hope you understand, you got an idea how we can use this vertical timeline. So this is how we can use this widget, then we can make some change in our layout. Okay, we can increase the horizontal space between two what is this, between two rectangle or something, and this is for particle space. Okay, the default was best, and let's see what is next. Okay, progress bar, you can use this progress bar also. This is mostly used in progress bar, mostly people use in a portfolio. Okay, this is our progress bar. We can duplicate. Suppose you can show your skill like HTML. Okay, you know HTML 99. You are expert on HTML. You have 99% skill in HTML, and you have in CSS you have skill of 100%. Okay, this is very easy to use. I hope you got an idea. Then let's move to another widget, and then pricing table or pricing list. Okay, pricing list, price list. You can use price list. Okay, wait. Okay, if you are running a business of LMS tutor, I mean, if you have an educational website where you sell course, or suppose you have a restaurant, you need a menu, so you can show your item. Like first of all, you can show your item like salad. Okay, this is for $12, and you can put description of salad. This is new item, very tasty or something. And then in next item, okay, suppose if you are running an education business, you want to sell your course, Shopify course. Shopify is for 10 USD, and then you can put your description. So this is very easy to use. Okay, so let's move to another widget. Okay, for the last one, I'm going to show you okay, pricing table. Let's see how that works. Okay, pricing table, this is very okay, this is one of the most important widget. Okay, before I add it, let me do one thing. We can take a inner section and we can duplicate. Now we can add our pricing table. Let's copy and paste. Okay, we can change the background color of our pricing table. I will make it okay, not here you go. Okay, this is it should be from the column. Okay, this is our column color. Okay, and we can first of all okay, this is our cards. Step 1. Okay, if you want, you can show an image. Suppose this image. What's wrong? Okay, there was a mistake. The previous widget we worked on, maybe it was not deleted properly. It was at a background. Okay, so first of all we have to click on this pen icon, and then we'll get our title. So we can change our title, like we can make it basic. Okay, this is a package, like basic package, and we can add our subtitle. What can be subtitle? Like, okay, like for children, whatever we can add here. Suppose our price is $100 monthly. This is use. It should be 10. In basic package we are offering $10 per month, and then we'll move to our features. Okay, first one, okay, we can add two user account, and in the next, okay, we have to, okay, this package include two user account, then this package include suppose it includes 720 pixel, and then it includes TV series. Okay, this is how we can add our features, and we can okay, after features there are false action button. Okay, this is our main job. We can put our link. This is, we can change the text of our action button. So I hope you got it, how you can customize pricing table. Okay, finally let's see one more thing. Okay, let's see how scroll navigation work. Okay, this is the scroll navigation, and this is fixed in your screenplay. Okay, you maybe already noticed this thing. So how we can work with this? Okay, there are already 3 sections, but we can add another section. So suppose in the first section, okay, suppose for example, we want when our visitor will click on this first section, they will move on to this title section. Okay, so for that we have to go to title section, click on advanced, then in CSS ID we have to write something like section A, and we'll copy these text and CSS ID or CSS class, I'm not sure. Okay, and then we'll go to this section. Okay, in this first section we want to add it, so we'll put it in this section ID, then we'll click on update, then when we'll click on okay, so if we go to our preview mode, and when we click on this icon, it will take us to our top where we link to it. Okay, so this is how it works, and we can do one thing. We can remove this label. Okay, now it's great. So this was a few widgets I have show you how we can customize or work with this widget. So this is how these elements work. It's really easy to use, and if you want to know more about these widgets, then you can go to Crocoblock JetElements and you can check every single item of them. Like you want to know how it works, then you can click on it, and then they will show you how this widget work. There should be more example, so you can get to learn by yourself in this way. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If it was little bit helpful for you, then please like and subscribe my channel. So till then, stay blessed, tata, goodbye.